In this video, we will find out how to find the median of group data. For this formula is median is equal to L plus n upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Now we will understand what these variables state for. L means lower limit of median class. Lower limit of median class. N, number of observations. N means number of observation. Whatever number of observation are given, that is N. CF is cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, means just before the median class, not of that median class but before the median class, CF. And you know that CF comes when we add previous frequency in the coming frequency. Like here, the frequency of this group is 4 and the frequency of 85 to 105 group is 5, but the cumulative frequency will be, we will add these two frequency 4 and 5 plus 9, and on next group frequency will be 22 because these two will be added and this frequency will also be added. So when we add the previous frequency like this, 4 plus 5, then it becomes 9. 9 plus 13 become 20. 20 plus 20 become 42. 42 plus 14, 56. Means when we add the before frequency in the present frequency, then we get the cumulative frequency. You can understand better also, but here also that the frequency of this group was 4. The frequency of cumulative frequency was 4, same. Frequency of this was 5, but the cumulative became 9 because this frequency has been added into previous frequency, 9. Frequency of this 105 to 125 became 22 because the frequency, this frequency was added in before frequency 9, so this became 22. So here CF is cumulative frequency, F is the frequency of median class. Whatever class we will choose as median class, that the frequency of that class will be F. And H, class size, assuming class size to be equal. H means class size. For example, I will show you class size means you can say common difference. Like here, difference between lower limit age and upper limit age 20. Here 85 to 105, the difference between lower limit and upper limit age of 20. So the total difference is of around 20 in every. So that H will become 20. And last thing, the median class, or we can say that class with maximum frequency is the model class. Means this model class will be chosen on the basis of maximum frequency. Like here, the frequency of this group was maximum 20. Here 4, 5, 13, 14, 8, 4. The frequency of this class was maximum. That is why we have chosen this class, this model class. That is why we have chosen this interval as a model class. So now this formula is very much familiar to you. Now we will try to solve one question based on this formula so we can understand this median more easily. Question is, this question is question number 1 of exercise 14.3. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median. So total consumer are 68, so this has become the value of n. And now this these are grouped, and the maximum frequency of this 20. So just the opposite means this 125 to 145 will be model class because its frequency is most, and h will be 20 because there's difference between lower limit and upper limit of 20 in every. And now see, so we developed table like this. This is class interval and this fi, these both are given. We write cumulative frequency here. Cumulative frequency comes when we add the previous frequency to the present frequency, because 4 will be 4 because before 4 no previous frequency is there, and 9 when this present frequency has been added into previous frequency, then 4 plus 5 9, then 13 9 is added to 13, then we get 22, then this 20 was added to 22, then we got 42. In this way we got the cumulative frequency. So the h is equal to 20, we have already discussed. F of frequency, f is the frequency of the model class, cumulative frequency of the preceding model class, means this is model class, just before the interval has 22, so that will be called CF22. F frequency of median class, here F is 20, so this is the frequency of model class 20. L, lower limit of median class, so this is the median class, lower limit of this 125, so this the value of L will be 125. N is equal to 68 because this has been given. Here electricity of 68 consumers, so this has become N. Now we place all the value in this formula. Median is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. When we 125, 34 minus 22 upon 20 multiplied by 20, because this is the cumulative frequency, this is the 34, half of the 68, because it is written 9 upon 2, and n, the value of it is written n upon 2, and the value of n was 68, so this has become 34. 34 minus 22, because this n was 68. When we further solve, so 34 minus 22, we get 12 upon 20, multiply by 20, cross cancel, 125 plus 12, 30, 137 unit. So this is the answer of this question. Median is very important, and learn this formula by heart and practice 2 or 3 questions. In this way you can master this type solving this type of question very easily. And in next video we will discuss about mode. Thank you.